Hi student, now I am going to teach content number 1.5, measurement of basic quantities. First one, measurement of length. So what is mean by length? Length means distance between any two points in space. The SI unit of length is meter. Then what is mean by microcosm, which means smaller world, in which both object and distance are small sized. Example, molecules, atoms, proton, electron, neutron, bacteria, etc. So, study about small distance is called microcosm. What is macrocosm? Macrocosm means larger world in which both object and distance are larger in size. Example, large object like galaxy, star, sun, planets, etc. So, study about large distance, large in size, that is large dimensions, is called macrocosms. Microcosm. Microcosm means study of small size, small distance. For example, study the size of the atom, size of the electron, size of the proton, size of the neutron, then radius of the atom, radius of the nucleus. So this is called microcosm. Macrocosm means large in size, large in distance. For example, study of size of the earth, size of the sun, size of the planet, size of the star, or study radius of the earth, radius of the sun, radius of the star is called macrocosm. Then measurement of small distances with the help of meter scale can be used to measure the distance from 10 power minus 3 meter to 1 meter. Then screw gauge. Screw gauge is an instrument. With the help of screw gauge, we are measuring the radius of the thin wire, diameter of the thin wire, that is measuring the dimensions of the object up to a maximum of about 50 millimeter. LC stands for least count of the screw gauge. Least count of the screw gauge is equal to 0.01 millimeter. Third one, vernier caliper. Vernier caliper is an instrument. With the help of vernier caliper, we measure the dimensions of object. For example, diameter, radius of the spherical body. With the help of vernier caliper, we measure the diameter of the hole, depth of the hole. LC stands for least count of the vernier caliper is equal to 0.1 millimeter. For measuring small distance, we used vernier caliper, screw gauge, meter scale. With the help of screw gauge, vernier caliper, meter scale, we cannot measure the larger distance. So how will you measure the larger distance? We have some special method. Measurement of large distances. For measuring large distances, for example, height of the tree, height of the tower, height of the tall building, distance of the moon, distance between the earth to planets, earth to Mars. So we are going to use special method, that is first one triangulation method, second one parallax method, and third one radar method. With the help of these three methods, we measure the larger distance.